Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in Toca Boca. Open the kitchen scene and tap the pumpkin to gather ingredients now, then wash and chop items in order. Use the mixing bowl, add pumpkin, spices, and sweetener while following on-screen prompts. Pour the filling into a crust and set the oven timer. Stick with me through each step and practice the timing for perfect virtual results. Start by mashing the pumpkin thoroughly until it becomes silky and smooth, then add spices one at a time while stirring gently. Sweeten a little at a time and keep tasting to match your preferred flavor profile. Remember to scrape the bowl edges so nothing is left behind, and pause the timer if you need extra mixing time. This paced approach avoids overmixing and helps the filling set properly during baking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I use a set of leak-proof containers that keep fillings secure and make storing slices effortless, perfect for sending a pie to a friend. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them easily, then grab a snack, and now let's get back to the video. Preheat the oven in Toca Boca before you slide the pie in so it bakes evenly from the start. If the game offers rotation or placement options, use them to encourage uniform browning and a neat crust. When the baking cycle ends, allow the pie to cool undisturbed so the filling firms up and slices cleanly. Use this cooling time to decorate or set the table in the game for a polished finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.